Last Flowers by Tanya Shatseva in 60 by 81 cm, Special Treatment, version 3. We have 5 different special beads in this painting. Version 1, we've got lime pearls that we have sprinkled on the green areas of the picture. So this would be the sections that is represented by the leaves. So these are lime, as well as these areas over here. Sprinkle your lime crystals and lime pearls in those areas. Aside from that, we also have gold crystals that we have sprinkled on all of the yellow areas. So place your gold crystals on those yellow flowers, as well as on that bee right over there that's hovering by the bouquet. For version 2, we also have ice crystals that we have placed on the blue areas on the canvas. So this would be including the girl's dress that's blue right over here, as well as some blue areas in the background like these ones up here. And of course on the mouth of the skull, that's blue, and right over here there's like a blue flower or a bud. Sprinkle your blue crystals on all of the blue areas. These are the ice crystals. Match it to the color that closely resembles it. For version 3, we have 2 more special beads added. We have morganite crystals that we have sprinkled on all of the pink areas. So for the flowers that appear pink right over here, we've placed morganite together with this bud over there. So sprinkle morganite on all of the pink areas. And then finally, for version 3, we add electric diamonds that we have placed on the background over here. And this is the look for the Last Flowers by Tanya Shatseva in size 60 by 80, with 5 different special beads, free as part of the May Mystique promo. If you did not get a chance to avail of the May Mystique promo, then this may be added to your purchase of the painting as a special treatment pack. So this is once again with ice crystals, gold crystals, morganite crystals, as well as lime pearls and electric diamonds.